Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and my 70s themed dollhouse. In today's video, we're heading upstairs to work in this little corner. Right now, it doesn't look like much, and I originally planned to use this space to hide wiring because it's so tiny. But then I had an idea. Instead of letting it go to waste, I transformed it into a tiny bathroom illusion. If you'd like to see how I built a wall and added the door, I've linked that video above. This little space gives the illusion of a full bathroom, complete with tiny details you can only catch a glimpse of through the doorway. First, I printed an image of linoleum on cardstock and brushed on a thick layer of Mod Podge before attaching it with double-sided tape. I also used tape to mount this piece of tile to the wall. This light fixture won't be visible, but the warm glow it gives off adds realism. This vanity, which I found on Etsy, holds miniature bathroom accessories that are visible through the partially open door. This mirror will help the room feel larger, and the towel will add a lived-in touch. I also added a piece of 70s wood panel art to the wall. If you'd like to see how I made that, check out my previous video. Let me know in the comments what you think of this illusion bathroom. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next in my dollhouse. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see how I built the wall and added the door, click on the video here, or keep exploring more of my dollhouse builds. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next.